Messenger last seen not showing or working. Don't worry, today in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix this. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. And let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section from where you'll be able to see the chat with various person or your friends on Messenger. So if you open up to the profile or the conversation with someone, at the top or right next to profile you'll be able to see active 4 minutes ago or active now or something like that. But if you're unable to see that or it's not working, then that may be due to two reasons. So the first reason is if you have turned off your active status, then also you won't be able to see. So that you just have to go back and you have to tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the left of the corner and simply go for settings at the right hand side. And here is active status. Simply tap over there. It's off right now. Simply tap over there and you will be active on Messenger, and by doing that you will be able to know the active status of this person on Messenger over here. And the second reason is if the person has turned off the active status of them like the way you have done previously, then also you won't be able to see the active status of the person. That means you won't be able to see the last seen on their chats. So these are the two common reasons and a fix to fix Messenger last seen not showing or working. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.